Hello guys, today is a great day. And this video today you're gonna be surprised because I'm gonna show you a paid method you can use to make money on market call. A lot of you ask me about how to run ad on Google or on Facebook, but I'm gonna show you a different ways, a different paid method that I use myself to earn some money. But if you are afraid to lose money, you won't make money because this is how the game is. Every millionaire, every investor, every people who invest the money, they are ready to spend or to lose money before they can make money. So there is a product on market called will give a lot of money. This is this product. I think you can see. This is the credit repair and bonds. For any sales, targeted sales that you bring to them, any people who accept the insurance, you're gonna make $140. Something it's a lot. Only 10 people will make you 1400 per month. If per month you can bring 10 people. So just imagine you can bring on 100 people. You're gonna make 14,000 every month if you bring 100 people. I'm gonna show you a paid method that we're gonna use. It will be on Instagram. We're gonna use what we call the product placement or what we call the influencer marketing. We're gonna use influencer on Instagram to find targeted visitors that gonna call on our market call offer, people that gonna call and are really interested. So let's see in my screen. So I'm on Instagram right now. You see what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna type loans because I know it is credit repair. I type loans. You're gonna see for the hashtag loans I have more than 792,000 search volume or post related to this. So when I click on this, I'm gonna see all posts related to loans. They are easily related to credit repair. I'm gonna take one of these. You can see this guy has more than 10,000 likes, more than 284 comments from one of his posts. So I'm gonna click on this guy. So this guy I think will be a good fit for me. This guy, this is Coach Legendary. If I click on his profile, let me see. This guy, I can make this guy become someone important for me. So why I say that? Because let me show you guys. You can see this guy, he has some client result. People who are taking five good result about things related to their credit score. You can see, congratulations, your credit score has been. So he has a lot of people that has success from him. So if if I advertise on his Instagram, I'm gonna make money. But for this type of people, for 1 hour or 2 hour on their story, they're gonna charge you more than three to five hundred $300 to 500 for 2 hours on the profile. So if you go to this guy, okay, maybe this guy can be too expensive for you, but just imagine the engagement for this guy. This guy doesn't have a great engagement, but he has more than 1% for every post this guy posts. He has 1% conversion. So just suppose he has 11 people that click on his post. Just suppose you go, let me go to Google calculator and show you guys why you're supposed to use this method. So let's suppose I go to calculator on Google. This guy has 11,000 people that react to every post that he posts. So just suppose uh, for this post, particular post, let's suppose this I have uh, 4% of this amount that let's say 5%. Let's say 5% divide by 100 on this that click on my offer. Let's suppose, okay guys, let's suppose these people I have uh 550 clicks. Let's suppose for this one I have 20% conversion because those are targeted people. More than 50 of them gonna call you. This is why it is so interesting. More than 50 of these people gonna call you. More than 50. because they are targeted. So when you say you come with the credit repair offer, this offer you see right here, this guy is a great guy. He has some example of people who get success when he posts something for you related to credit repair. So people, you can see, if you follow me and still got bad credit, that's your fault. So people keep watching his post, so he has a lot of engagement. So when you ask this guy to post something for you, may even if for 1 hour or 2 hours, you just pay this guy like 300 or $500 for 2 hours or 3 hours on his post. Okay, you get chance. Let's suppose 50 of these people, 50, let's suppose 50 of them just convert. The offer was 140 $140 for every converted people. So let's suppose 50 of them time 140. So this is for this post. Even if you spend 500, you're gonna get back this amount, guys. This is a method that I just start using. A lot of great YouTubers don't use Facebook or Google for so long. They can start with Facebook. When they have some data, they just stop and use other paid method or paid advertising method. So I just find this method. I say it will be good for my public. You see, I'm on my bed. I just look for method that can help you guys, and I say this is a good sign for me to come with this for you guys. So I think this video will bring you value. When you try this, you find result, don't forget to come back and comment down below. So if you think this guy is too expensive for you, you can just go next to this guy, because you can just write them, just ask if they have some, if they promote, you can just write them. You see this guy, I can just write him. You see, you can just send a message to this guy. You say him, hey, do you promote something like that? And you can say him, can we make some money together? Some money together. And you say, don't forget to send me your rate. Don't forget to send me your rate. Why you ask this? Because they're gonna send you how much they charge for 1 hour, 2 hours, things like that. So you just send this to him. So what you will have to do, you're gonna go back to this guy to find other people like him. You're gonna go back to this guy, and you're gonna see, when you click on this little button, you're gonna see below bunch of other people. Maybe they can do the same thing or something different, but still type loan. If you don't find something interesting, still type loan. Write more than 20 to 50 people and propose them your you want to pay them to advertise on their Instagram. So they're gonna accept, because they need money. They're gonna accept you. They're gonna accept your proposition. So after this guy, you can see if there's other people that have a lot of traffic. You see this guy, for a video, 212,000. Okay, you can see these are people who got a lot of engagement. So example of other people that you can try, you can try this guy. You can go to this one. Okay, you see still the same guy. He read for so many times. His post read for the loan. So you can see this is, you see this guy read. This is a good sign. So you can use him. Let's see for other than this. So you see this guy keep the top post for this particular hashtags, guys. So you can use this guy and start making money, because you need people that can drive you traffic and make you money, guys. This is what you want. So you want someone that can drive you a lot of traffic, guys. So you're gonna keep trying to find more than 20 website or 20 profile like this, and use them to start receiving some great money, because market call will pay you every time someone convert. So these page are well targeted people on this page. Those are people who are on this page and give want to find result for the loan problem. So you can see this is a second person. I think this person will be lower. Maybe you can pay 50 bucks or 25 bucks for a 24-hour on the story post or on the post. So you can use this guy too. You can see this is about credit repair, things like that. You can see this guy has some engagement. Okay, some engagement. You can use this guy. You can just post something related to credit repair. Take some, outsource some ID from market call from this product, credit repair, inbound sales, pre-approved. So you can just go and give this guy the phone replacer that they give you, or the landing page. They're gonna put it on the swipe up on their Instagram. So when people go to the story, this person swipe up and the bio, they're gonna put your link right here. People gonna click on it and end up calling this company, and you're gonna make money. If so far find value, guys, please comment down below. Let me know that you find value. You see, I'm on my bed and I just reflect for you to give you more possibility, more idea to make money online. It was your boy Vanel. Don't forget, guys, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, because if you don't do this, my video will not be shown to other people. Thank you again. I will make more video about how to make money on pay per call affiliate program. Bye bye.